Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete chapter number 9, Maryam Mirza Khani leading the way from workbook. Comprehension A. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. First, Marie Curie was Polish. Third, Marie Curie discovered polonium. Then third, both her Nobel Prizes were won before World War I. Then fourth, Marie Curie felt sympathy for the soldiers. Fifth, she was the first female professor at the University of Paris. Then next, B. Answer the questions in brief. First question, what were the troubles that Mary faced in her childhood after the Russian invasion? Answer, after the Russian invasion, Mary's father lost his job and soon after her mother died of tuberculosis. Second, why was it not possible for women to continue studies after school? Answer, after Poland was invaded by the Russians, the latter did not allow women to study further after schooling. Then third question, what was the pact made between Mary and her sister? Answer, Mary and her sister Bona made an agreement that while Bona studied, Mary would work and support her. Bona would do the same when Mary studied. Then fourth question, how did Mary meet her death? Answer, Mary died due to overexposure of radium as she often carried tubes of it in her pocket. Then fifth question, give an example of how Marie Curie worked on an equal footing with men. And answer is, Marie Curie worked as a professor in the University of Paris. Then sixth, find the antonyms of the following words in the passage. First, joys. इसका opposite word है वो. Then B, abundance. Opposite word is scarcity. Then C, think and answer this question. And first question is, what childhood instance states that Mary's brain was razor sharp? Answer, Mary loved studying. Unlike her peers, she also topped in her class. This proves that she had a very sharp mind. Second question, why do you think the sister chose Sorbonne University to study in? And answer is, Sorbonne was a very renowned university known for its excellent academic standards and admitted women students. So the sister wanted to go to it. Then third question, what impression do you get about Marie Curie's nature from her work during World War I? Mary was very kind and felt deeply the suffering of the soldiers. Then next page, fourth question. How was Mary's pioneer in her field? How was she awarded for her work? Answer, Mary won awards as Davy Medal, Albert Medal and many such medals. She was the first female professor in the University of Paris and the first woman to be recognized by the Pantheon. She is also the first woman to have won 2 Nobel Prizes for different subjects. Then vocabulary section, forming abstract noun. So abstract noun are formed from objective verb nouns. यहाँ पर ढेर सारे एग्जाम्पल आपको दिए हैं कि जैसे देखो एडजेक्टिव है ऑनेस्ट, तो उसका हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उससे ऑनेस्टी करेंगे. तो ये क्या हुआ, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. जहाँ पे चाइल्ड, चाइल्डहुड, अटैच, अटैचमेंट, यहाँ पर ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स आपको दिए हैं. एक्सरसाइज ए, मेक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स फ्रॉम दिस वर्ड्स. यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं. राइट द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ ईच वर्ड. अभी वो आपको वहाँ पर लिखने हैं. एडजेक्टिव है, वर्ब है, नाउन है. एंड वन हैज़ बिन डन फॉर यू. फर्स्ट, यंग, एडजेक्टिव है एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज यूथ. सेकंड, मैरी, वर्ब, मैरिज. थर्ड, आर्टिस्ट, नाउन, आर्ट और आर्टिस्ट्री. फोर्थ, हैप्पी, एडजेक्टिव, हैप्पीनेस. Fifth, minister, noun, ministry. Sixth, use, verb, utility. Seventh, behave, verb, behavior. Eight, know, verb और इसका abstract noun होगा knowledge. The ninth, appear, verb and abstract noun is appearance. Boy, noun, abstract noun is boyhood. Then next page. Gender wars. Gender equality refers to the fact that the different behavioral aspects, aspirations, and needs of women and men should be considered, valued, and favored equally. Certain terms that you should learn in this context are: first, childcare, the care of children, especially while both parents are at work. Then, second is empowerment, confidence due to being in control of one's life. Feminism, the belief and aim that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men. Then, gender discrimination, the unjust treatment of a particular group of people because of their gender. Then next, gender gap, the difference that separates men and women in terms of attitudes, opportunities and status. And last one, recognition, public praise and reward for somebody's work or actions. ये जो वर्ड है यही आपको नीचे जो एक्सरसाइज दी है ना उसमें यूज़ करने हैं. Exercise B, fill in the blanks with the gender terms you have just learned. First, women are nowadays bridging the gender gap in almost every field of life. Second, we should fight against any instance of gender discrimination in the society. Third, women were granted their rights after struggle. This is referred to as women empowerment. Fourth, companies provide for childcare services for little children to stay when both their parents go out to work. Fifth, Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March in recognition of women's rights. Sixth, the idea that a woman should have equal rights and opportunities as a man is called feminism. Then grammar section, यहाँ पर आपको दिया है perfect tense, present perfect tense, then past perfect tense and then future perfect tense. So in present perfect tense, we use present perfect tense when we talk about an action completed in recent past but whose effects still remain. And past perfect tense is used to talk about a past action that was completed before another past action began. Then future perfect tense is used to talk about a future activity that will be finished by or before a specific time in the future. Here exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of the given verbs. First, my father has finished reading the newspaper. Second, I have taken music lessons for 2 years. Third, the bell had just rung announcing the end of recess. Fourth, have you seen my pen anywhere? Fifth, my mother has written the story for the magazine. Sixth, we have already visited the museum twice this month. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the past perfect form of the given verb. First, the family had already gone to bed when their relatives arrived unannounced. Second, Pico had expected India to win the match, but they lost by a narrow margin. Third, our team had practiced a lot before the competition began. Fourth, had the storm continued for the whole night? Fifth, I had visited the dentist yesterday for my toothache. Sixth, the children had collected dry leaves to make bookmarks before they sold them at the exhibition. Then exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect form of the given verb. First, by tomorrow we will have boarded the train to Jaisalmer. Second, the runners will have completed their races by this evening. Third, the rescue team will have reached the accident spot by morning. Fourth, the forest officials will have catched the tiger cub by tomorrow. Fifth, you will have cooked all the dishes by the time our guests arrive. Then last exercise D, fill in the blanks with the correct option. The young lady will have secured her driving license by tomorrow. Second, we have to start now. Have you finished your breakfast? Third, the naughty children had plucked a a lot of mangoes by the time the gardener spotted them. Fourth, I shall go on a trip next month. By then, I shall have completed my science project. Fifth, when the guest arrived, my aunt will have finished cooking. The next page, preposition. Preposition are words placed before noun or pronoun. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हैं जैसे on, over, across. ठीक है. और यहाँ पर एक टेबल भी दिया है, preposition of time, preposition of place and then preposition of movement and direction. So exercise E, fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions and mention their types. First, everyone was quiet during the concert. ये क्या हुआ, यहाँ पर ड्यूरिंग यूज किया मतलब preposition of time. Then second, he started for Delhi yesterday. Then third, the frightened child hid behind the door of the shed. Fourth, India gained her freedom in the year 1947. Fifth, the swimmer dived into the sea to save the drowning man. Sixth, having practiced through the day, the band was ready for the concert. Seventh, the thief ran away with all the money. Then 8, the bird flew over my head.